Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to pay with Apple Pay in the App Store. To use Apple Pay for App Store and iTunes purchases, you can add Apple Pay as a payment option. Firstly, ensure you have a credit or debit card linked to Apple Pay. Then, open Settings and select iTunes and App Store. Then select your Apple ID and tap View Apple ID. Tap on Manage Payments. Then select the option of Add Payment Method. Lastly, tap the card you want to use in the Found in Wallet list. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation, and the app or content will be downloaded or accessible. Remember, for Apple Pay to work, your device and the App Store must be in regions where Apple Pay is supported, and the merchant, which is App Store in this case, must accept Apple Pay. Additionally, your Apple ID payment information must be up to date. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.